23 years as a doctor, and I know how scary it is to hear that influenza season is here again. Here are 4 ways to not let it catch you. Start your day with a ginger shot. Ginger shots are spicy, but they're amazing for boosting your immune system and reducing inflammation. Wear copper jewelry. Some people swear by copper's antimicrobial properties to ward off sickness. Even if it's placebo, it's cute and might help. Drink Hey Girl Feel Better tea every night. This tea from Amazon is my favorite. With ingredients like vitamin C and lemongrass, it helps me feel strong and ready for anything. And lastly, dry brush your skin. Dry brushing improves circulation and helps your lymphatic system flush out toxins. Plus, your skin will feel amazing.